Hi and Assalamualaikum. So for today I would like to present about my industrial training at Maybank Terengganu. So before I get started, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Fatin Nurwahidah binti SHAUKI AUDAH. For the first one is company backgrounds. Malayan Banking Berhad is the ultimate holding company and parent of Maybank that has significant banking operations in other countries with a network of over 450 branches, including Maybank Jateh, and more than 2,500 ATM spread across the country where Maybank operates as well. The group as a whole has also positioned well across the regions, having 2 regional banking units and an insurance company. The company has a domestic branch network of more than 20 branches in Singapore and Philippines. Malayan Banking Berhad is the largest financial service group in Malaysia, catering to a customer across all demographic and businesses, unit for retail and corporate. With its extensive distribution network over 2,500 branches and office in 20 countries, employing more than 44,000 Maybankers and serving 22 million customers. It is the sole regional bank in all 10 Asian countries. Maybank derive competitive advantage from enhancing their core business and trading platform, which in turn facilitates synergies across the wide spectrum of assets within a group. At the domestic level, Maybank intends to take leadership position in key and profitable segments. At the same time, they are building their relationship platform of new investment and innovating into greenfield organic expansion that will drive their to greater customer value. For the next one, as you can see here, we can see Maybank Jateh organization structure. For the next one is Maybank visions, missions and objective. For Maybank visions, Maybank vision is advancing Asian ambitions with you, which is to be regional financial services leader. For the Maybank mission is to harmonize financial service across Asia. They aim to fulfill customers' ambitions by building trusted, long-lasting relationships that endure through good sign and bad. They believe in fair treatment of all stakeholders and in simplifying financial solutions. Maybank humanizes financial service by offering convenient access to financing, fair terms and prices, needs-based advice, and by being an integral part of the community. For the last one is Maybank objective. Maybank is committed to providing people with easy access to financing at fair terms and pricing, advising customers on their needs and being at the heart of communities it serves. For the next one is product and services offered by Maybank. For the first one is consumer digital solution. Maybank end-to-end online experience give customers a hassle-free way of looking after their financial needs from anywhere. For second one is corporate solution. Maybank local market knowledge with their regional capabilities allow Maybank to offer corporation all-inclusive holistic solution. For the next one is Sharia solutions. Maybank Islamic is the first provider Sharia compliant product and service to meet their financial demands. For the next one is wealth management. Maybank offer their customer a host of solutions that will help customers fulfill their dreams and ensure the financial future of subsequent generations. Maybank also offer insurance and takaful. Maybank offer all of their available selection for protecting that which is dear to their customers. For example, is PA for personal accidents, and also motor insurance, which is we call MI. For the next one is asset management. It is where Maybank offer a versatile suite of conventional, Islamic and ESG investment solutions in different asset classes for local, regional as well as global markets. For the last one is investment banking, supported by experienced professionals and Maybank team of expert of the crown in Asia. Maybank offer a wide suite of services from institutional or corporate need to family office and individual trading platforms. So, for my responsibility and tasks at Maybank Jateh, for the first one is I need to helping customer register online banking. My responsibilities is to assist customer who open saving account or current account to register online banking or Maybank to you. I need to make sure every customer that have Maybank account register Maybank to you to make it easier for them to make online transaction in the future. For my next responsibility, I need to help customer register SME first account. I need to assist customer who wants to open current register their SSM and make sure their data is valid. After that, I need to register SME first account I for them to make sure they have an account number before they activate their current account to make it easier for them. For the next one is I need to filing ASB file. Given the task of checking file for ASB loan if the account is disclosed or not, I need to do the filing once a week to make sure there is no data that is left behind. When they close their account, I need to make sure that the file must be placed in the store. I also need to fill in the customer detail in the Excel so there will be no confusion whether the customer closed their account or not. So the next one is credit card submission. This is my main responsibilities. Given the task of fill in customer detail in Excel for credit card submissions, or we call it template credit cards, I also need to check if there are any other past submission that their status is withdrawn, so I can submit their application again. After checking the status, I need to separate the approved, rejected and withdrawn file to make it easier for assistant branch manager to check the file. My last responsibility and task is register insurance or personal accident PA for customer. If there is no salesperson at the branch, I need to register for customer who take personal accident insurance and explaining to them what is personal accident. I need to make sure that they agree to the insurance before I proceed to the registration. As for my training reflections, I started my internship from 3rd March until 8 August 2024. For the working days, I work Sunday until Thursday. For my working hours, from Sunday to Wednesday, I started my working hour from 8:45 am until 5:45 pm. And for the Thursday, I started my working hours from 8:45 am until 4:45 pm. And as for my department, it is called Group Community Financial Services. For the next one is SWOT analysis for Maybank. For the strengths, Maybank is the largest bank in Malaysia based on branch network size. For the second one is provide a website that is user-friendly. As for the next one is Maybank weaknesses. For the first one is Maybank banking operations primarily concentrate in Malaysia and Singapore, resulting in limited global reach. For the second one is main revenue resources from retail banking and Islamic banking with lesser revenue from other services. For the next one is Maybank opportunity. For the first one is significant potential for expansion into countries. And for the second one is increasing internet banking adoptions expected to expand to the customer base. As for the last one is Maybank threats. For the first one is the prevailing global macroeconomic condition affecting the bank operations. And for the second one is primary competitors within the industry's landscape. For the last one is discussion and recommendations. For strengths, for the first one is the largest bank in Malaysia based on branch network size. Maybank has the largest branch network in Malaysia and significant overseas presence with over 300 branches strategically located throughout urban, suburban and rural areas across the nation. Such widespread reach enable Maybank to cater for its product and services a vast array of customer ranging individuals to small businesses or large corporates. By having the largest branch network, Maybank strengthens their brand and trust from customers. With a rich history of over 150 years and being one of the most innovative banks in Malaysia, Maybank continues to serve individuals and commercial clients with some of the best financial solutions. For the second one is provide a website that is user-friendly. The user-friendly platform makes navigation more comfortable and easier for clients to receive information, carry out operation, and as well as banking service. A great user experience just leaves no need to express in the app, making it simple to use but effective. Regulatory compliance is mandatory for bank. A user-friendly website helps the bank adhere to regulatory guidelines, making disclosure, terms and conditions. As for the weaknesses, for the first one, banking operation primarily concentrate in Malaysia and Singapore, resulting in limited collaboration. Maybank has to innovate on digital banking offering, pour significant resources into the growth of digital banking and service, and platform that can be supports international customer, build well customer mobile application and web-based online banking system along with the international payment options. Primary revenues from retail banking followed by income of Islamic banking to lesser extent and negligible revenue received through other services. For the next weaknesses is main revenue source from retail banking and Islamic banking with lesser revenue from other services. Ongoing innovation and differentiation at market and bet on innovation culture and leverage it forever by releasing new product, service and digital solution which set bank apart from the competitor as well as meeting the ever-changing need of customer. The ability of firms to offer innovative solutions can create new customer, increase competition and provide a path for continued revenue gains in ever-evolving financial services environment. As for opportunity, for the first one is significant potential for expansion into countries such as Laos upon obtaining operation license. Emerging market potential for profound expansion opportunities in financial services lie ahead with the rapidly evolving market of Laos. The economy is growing, people are becoming more urbanized and middle class, which leads to the needs for banking products. It is very important to be knowledgeable at the local regulatory landscape, market dynamic and consumer habits. For the next opportunity is increasing internet banking adoptions, expected to expand the customer base. Customer can access various banking services without the need to come directly visit physical branches via Maybank or internet banking. Busy professional, young adult or tech-savvy individual prefer this ease of access in managing their monies digitally. Bank and other financial institutions use internet banking to reach customers in the remote or rural area where physical branches are limited. It widens the geographical coverage of the bank, enabling banking service to reach underbanked or unbanked populations. Internet banking is taken up more frequently among the youngest generation, described as digital native. Hence, focusing on this segment can aid banks in reaching out to and develop bonds with the fresh set of clients. For the last one for my presentation today is threats. For the first one is the prevailing global macroeconomic conditions affecting the bank operations. The banking industry is rapidly changing as technological advances such as fintech and digital disruptions define the new age. Today, customers expect their financial solution to be more intuitive, and they want digital implementation in conjunction with innovative product. Banks should adopt the digital transformation with the cost and invest in fintech, partnership, collaboration or cybersecurity to protect customer data. Current global macroeconomic environments necessitates that bank device risk management, regulatory compliance and technological innovation as proactive strategies. Implementing this recommendation can help banks to manage risk, realize growth opportunities and build necessary resourcefulness in increasingly complex global economic context. The last one is primary competitors within the industry landscape. Discover additional big bank operating in the same region or market niche offering identical product or services. Over the years, this bank typically vie for not only identical incremental customer but also often identical market share in key sectors. Think about regional banks or credit union who may hold longer local presence and customer loyalty in the customer neighborhood or regions. Global players or those with international operations and specifically in cross-border banking service or corporate banking space. By the end of my internship at Maybank, I have to come to a better understanding on how dynamic and versatile financial industry can be. This further solidified my interest in finance and reinforced the necessity for ongoing education and knowledge of market within this ever-evolving industry. The internship has emphasized me on networking and relationship building within the industry. I built a relationship with seasoned professionals and that have offered me a unique perspective, mentorship and direction that will go toward defining where my career takes me next. To conclude my internship at Maybank, it was a life-changing experience that further reinforced finance as an industry that resonated with me and gave me hands-on skill, helped me develop myself among amazing professionals who were all happy to help. It further commented that I would always have to complex, fulfilling my hobby in finance that had endless opportunities to innovate and contribute value greater than myself to the broader financial ecosystem. I think that's all for my industrial training presentation. Thank you for your time.